7. Individual keys easy to use. 1.8-inch TFT color display on the MP3 player presents vivid visuals with delicate colors and clear text. Smooth operation, an intuitive user interface, lightweight, compact design make it easy to carry, enhancing the enjoyment of use. It meets users' dual needs for visual and musical experiences. Menu button. In each menu interface, short press to enter the menu settings. Short press on the main menu interface to perform the above options. Short press on the next. Long press to fast forward. Short press on the main menu interface for right option operation. Short press on the previous, long press to fast rewind. Short press on the main menu interface for left option operation. Return. Short press to return step by step. Short press on the main menu interface to execute the next option operation. Short press to confirm play pause function. The simplest memorization method. In the main menu interface, you can use the up and down return left right keys to select a menu, or you can directly use the keys to select a menu. After entering the submenu, use up, down, left, right to select. Alternatively, the up and down buttons can be directly replaced with the left and right keys. Support up to 128 GB micro SD card not included. This is the logo for the volume up and down buttons. This is the key that operates the volume up and down buttons. The reset hole serves as a manual method to reset the device. When you gently insert a thin object such as a toothpick or paperclip into this hole, it triggers the hardware reset function of the device, restoring it to its initial state. Reset is typically used when the device encounters malfunctions, enters a frozen protective state, or becomes unresponsive due to prolonged charging or extended periods of inactivity. Triggering the reset attempts to address temporary issues, similar to restarting a computer to resolve problems. Please note that using the reset hole may result in the loss of some data on the device, as it is akin to forcibly shutting down and restarting the device. Therefore, before using the reset hole, it is advisable to ensure that important data has been saved. Micro USB interface. Short press to screen off, wake up. Long press 3 seconds to power on off. 3.5毫米 headphone jack.